Hi, welcome back. It's your coach Cleaner. So, welcome to the introduction to paint production. In this section, we'll be talking about the overview of paint production sector, marketing analysis and trends, regulatory and legal consideration. I know most of you don't know what paint production business is all about, or most of you started your paint production business without proper guidelines. So you're lucky that you're going to having all of this information to start your paint production business or improve in your paint production business. So let's dive straight into the course. Of paint production sector. The paint production sector is a significant industry that plays a crucial role in various sectors of the economic, including construction, automobile, manufacturing, and consumer goods. Here is an overview of the paint production sector. Scope and importance. The paint production sector encompasses the manufacturing of various types of paints, coating and finishing used for protecting and enhancing surfaces. Paints are essential in construction for both residential and commercial building, as well as industrial such as automobile, aerospace, marine, and manufacturing. They serve as aesthetic, protective, and functional purpose, making them indispensable in modern life. Market analysis and trends in the paint production sector plays a crucial role in shaping the industrial direction, especially for paint manufacturers. So here is an overview of market analysis and current trend. One, global paint market size. The global paint and coating market is sustainable with constant growth. Factors such as urbanization, construction activities, and industrialization driven and market demand. Two, regional variation market demand can vary significant by regions, developed economics, and may focus more on high performance cotton and sustainability, while emerging markets may prioritize infrastructures development. Three, end user segmentation, the paint market serves various end users segments, including construction, automobile, aerospace, marine, and industrial manufacturing. Understanding the unique needs of each segment is crucial. Four, competitive landscape. The industry is highly competitive with both multi, multinational corporation and smaller specialized companies. Market leaders often invest in research and development to maintain their position. Understanding this market analysis point and staying up to date with current trade can help paint production business owners make informed decisions, innovate their product offering, and adapt to changing consumers' demand. Regulatory and legal considerations in the paint production sector are crucial to ensure compliance with environmental health and safety standards. Here are some key aspects that paint manufacturers must know. One, volatile organic compounds regulation. Many countries and regions have strict limits on the VOC content in paints to reduce air pollution and protect human health. Paint manufacturers must formulate low VOC or zero VOC product to comply with this regulation. Two, hazardous materials handling. Paint production involves the use of chemicals, some of which can be hazardous. Manufacturers must adhere to regulation regarding the storage, handling, labeling, and disposal of hazardous materials. Quality standards. Paints are subject to industrial specific quality standards and verification. Manufacturers must ensure their products meet these standards to maintain product integrity and customer trust. 5. Product labeling and advertising. Paint manufacturers must ensure that any claim made in product labeling or advertisements are truthful and not misleading. These include accurate representation of product features and benefits. 6. Recall procedures. Manufacturers should have protocols in place for handling product recalls if any defect or safety concern arises after a product has been dispersed. Staying informed about changes in regulation and industrial standards is essential to maintaining compliance and ensuring the safety and quality of paint products. So join me on the next video on types of paint and raw chemicals. Bye.